our stage is all the set for another incredible performance. So please welcome drama action.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning. These guys are so busy. Good morning, guys.
Good morning. Hey, good morning. Good morning, Sita.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, some candidates are waiting outside for interview. May I call them?
Yes, call them one by one.
Okay, ma'am. Meenakshi, please come.
Come in, ma'am. Come in. Take your seat.
Ma'am, my file.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Meenakshi.
Okay, what's your father is?
My father is a doctor.
Okay, what's your qualification?
My qualification is MA B.Ed.
Okay, tell me what's your strength is?
I am a honest and hardworking girl with positive attitudes towards my life and my career.
Okay, tell me what's your weaknesses is?
I can be a bit emotional and I cannot ask me for help.
Okay, do you have any question to ask?
No, I don't have any question to ask.
Okay, you may leave and wait for me answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next candidate, please come.
Ma'am, my file.
Sit down. Hey, where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Take your seat. Hey, where are you going?
Ma'am, you said take your seat.
No, sit here.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, what's your name?
MP, ma'am.
MP? What is this?
Mishri Pandey, ma'am.
Okay, what's your father name?
MP, ma'am.
Again MP? Now what is this?
Mohan Pal, ma'am.
Okay, what's your qualification?
MP, ma'am.
Now what is this?
Matric pass, ma'am.
Okay, describe your residential place.
MP, ma'am.
Now what is this?
Manipur, ma'am.
Okay, describe your personality.
MP, ma'am.
Now what is this?
Mind-blowing personality.
Okay, why do you need this job?
MP, ma'am.
Now what is this?
Money problem, ma'am.
Okay, leave.
MP, ma'am.
Now what is this?
My performance, ma'am.
You may have to perform here. It's MP.
What MP?
Mentally punctual. Now leave.
MP, ma'am.
Now what is this?
My brother, ma'am.
Leave.
MP, ma'am.
Now what is this?
My photo, ma'am.
Take it and leave.
Next candidate, please come.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Take your seat. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Ashi.
Okay, what's your father name?
My father name is Mr. Talha.
Okay, what's your qualification?
My qualification is MTech.
Okay, I have some question to ask.
Yes, of course.
First of all, there is an aeroplane. There are 50 bricks in the aeroplane. You may have thrown one of them. How many bricks left?
49 bricks left.
Okay, now tell me 3 steps to put the deer in the fridge.
First, open the fridge. Second, put your deer into the fridge. And third, close the door.
Okay, now tell me 4 steps to put the elephant in the fridge.
First, open the door. Second, take out your deer. And third, put the elephant. And fourth, close the door.
Nice, Misashi. Now, there is a lion birthday party, which was a huge party. All the animals went to the party except one. Who was it?
It's elephant.
How do you know?
Because it is locked into the fridge.
Okay. An old lady crossing a bridge, which was a home of dangerous crocodile. How will she cross it?
She will easily cross it because all the crocodile went to lion's birthday party.
Excellent, Misashi. Now, my last question is, the old lady died. How she died?
She fell into the river.
No, Misashi. She died because of the brick you have thrown from the aeroplane. Okay, you may leave and wait for my answer.
Thank you.
Next candidate, please come.
May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, come in. Sit down.
Ma'am, my file.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Sitara.
Okay, what's your father is?
My father name is Mr. Aftab.
Okay, what's your qualification?
My qualification is M.Tech. Hello?
Hey, what are you doing?
Ma'am, 1 minute please. Hello? Jia, I'm interview. Please cut the call.
Don't use phone.
Okay,
now,
ma'am.
describe your personality.
I have a good manner and...
Hey,
Hello?
what are you doing?
Ma'am, 1 minute please. Hello? Jia, I'm saying to you cut the call.
Don't use phone. Now this is your last chance. Describe your personality.
I have a good manner and...
Get out.
Sorry, ma'am.
Get out.
Sorry, ma'am.
No, Miss Sitara. This was your last chance. You don't have to use your phone during the time. Hey, you are doing again.
Sorry, ma'am.
Get out.
Ma'am, my file.
Take it and leave.
Hello, Jia?
Hi guys, how's your interview?
It's fine and not.
And what about our result?
Ma'am will tell you. They are asking for result.
Yes, I'm coming.
Okay, ma'am.
Miss MP, I request you to learn. Miss MP, I request you to learn some other letters of English except MP. Miss Ashi, you have a good memory power. Miss Sitara. Miss Sitara.
Yes, ma'am.
You are so addicted.
Thank you, ma'am.
And you are good. Okay guys, we will meet you tomorrow. Your interview is tomorrow.
What tomorrow?
Just chill.
But why?
Just chill. I'm also a candidate like
But
you.
why?